crew, we are back with another video. The gang is all here. Come with us. Come on. We're here looking at washers because we're having an issue with our washer machine. We thought it went completely out, but it didn't. It's like it wouldn't spin, right? Would it spin? Huh? Okay, it will spin, but it has like a burning smell. So we're here trying to see if the guy could repair it, or if we should just go ahead and get another one. So yeah, we shall see. I like those. Huh? Oh yeah. See, and we're not trying to spend our arm and leg for a washer right now. So this one, something that'll get the job done. Hooters. Yep, you won. Good job.
See, I go to the restroom.
Y'all, I am back. Well, we are back here at Five Below. My tripod broke, so I'm here to get another one. Well, did it break or did somebody break it?
I didn't break it.
So what happened to it?
We should cheat.
Well, I'm about to go and get another flimsy one. Because I'm only paying the $5.
I'm going to the hit it. So,
no, what's that on?
I'm going to hit it.
Okay.
Cox, you going to hit it or no?
You know, if you go to hit it, Channy want to go.
No, Channy's good. You just want him to go.
No, he said he wanted to go. But they got music playing, so. I know exactly what. Oh, I need to get a charger too. I'm moving fast, aren't I? Whew. It was waiting for me. Should I buy two? I hear them. Who?
There. I just saw puppies. Can we go get puppies?
What? Is that the same thing as fidget?
Yeah. The puppets over there. There was somewhere. Can we go to the puppets?
Okay, what is this?
Puppets.
How you do that? What is that? What is that?
Press it. Push puppets. All you need to do is press them.
Got is so.
Bro, that's terrible.
It say find your fidget, $1 to $5. I don't understand.
You pop them. And they go high.
And they go what?
And you could go half them. You could pop them and they go on the other side of them.
Y'all, I thought fidgets was little things, something.
Not fidget spinners.
No, not fidget spinners, but
It's like popping. It's like popping.
no, it was it was fidgets. I thought it was like little things, something like that that was called fidgets. Whew. Taking a little walk. I'm sweating already. Ooh, cold stones. I should have said, nah, let's drive down here. I said, nah, let's take a walk. Man, I'm rethinking that now. Whew. Whew, I'm tired. The boys went further down in the plaza to the sneaker store. I see them, they coming. Whew.
I forgot we gotta walk back.
I know, we gotta walk back.
Well, I bet it feels nice.
What?
You walk like you about to fall down. It was nice to walk.
When I walk back home.
Whew. I feel a little breeze. So guys, we just made it home. About to show you all what we purchased. We didn't really do too much. It was just a few items that we got from Five and Below. My husband is watching the Versus. So yeah, like I was saying, we just picked up a few things from Five and Below. This headset, my husband wanted another wireless headset, so we just got this. It was like $5.90 something, $5.95 I think it was. And also my son needed another charger for his phone, so we just got this charger right here. Like I told y'all, I needed another tripod because mine broke once again, so I bought this, and yeah, it was $5. And my husband and I, we're gonna do one of these days. We're gonna do the lip gloss chapstick challenge. So that's why I purchased this with the different flavors of cereal, and yeah, and then. My husband also needed another charger for his phone, so we bought that charger as well. And then y'all know I showed y'all the did I show y'all what store was I in? Oh, it was Burlington. But yeah, this also came from Five Below, just some Tupperware containers. It was $5. And it's a set of 42-piece set. Movies. We haven't been to the movies. Yeah, well, no, not no 2 years. Like right before the pandemic, we went to see The Photograph, and that was the last time we've been to the movies. So, yeah, Lord be with us. Oh, it is hot out here. Well, we could have went over here. The door's open. Use the hand sanitizer. Channing, put some in your hand. Oh, this is good. We all got a dab. You don't like the smell of what? It smells like popcorn, right? So So I'm here about to get the refill of popcorn because I've dispersed the popcorn between the kids, and now I'm about to refill this for the husband. I can have some popcorn. So yeah. So we are just leaving from the movies. We went to see Fast 9, and when I tell you that movie was the bizarre, okay? I love Fast and the Furious. Just whoo. But yeah, we're about to head into Walmart and pick up a few things. Nothing major. Get some broads. I did.
What part you play with football?
Oh, you missed that part. Let me see. Alright, we'll get the can dry. Oh boy. Hope you all are enjoying your weekend. It is Sunday, so us folks who have to go to work on Monday morning, I know you guys are winding down, getting ready to iron your clothes, ironing clothes. I'm glad that I cooked dinner before we went to the movies, so everything like that is done. Yeah, I cooked before we went to the movies, so I'm glad once we get home, all I have to do is heat the food up and eat. I'm trying to figure out what this man doing. Yeah, just heat the food up and eat, and then just chill out. Okay, so my husband and the boys walked off, and I need to get this water, so guess I have to lift it myself. I got 2 cases. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and get some milk, and I think a case of eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and get a gallon. Let's go get some chips. Oh, look, they got the Krispy Kreme with the circles. Oh, I heard them coming. Let me get a finger eggs. Huh? Where ya? Huh?
Let me see how it goes.
What are you talking about? All right, well, we can get a bag of chips. Oh, she was how old are they now? Maybe she thought she knew. Yes. I wanted to look at these jerk chicken chips. Y'all trying these? Jerk chicken. I wonder if they taste like jerk chicken. No, I ain't buying them. I'm just saying. And chili mango. No. I'm right here. Okay. Coxie.
I'll just put them back on.
Y'all crazy?
See, I probably like that. I like this orange.
Oh, okay.
Don't forget.
Channy, you a frog? Let me get some peanut butter.
Got some time to relax.
Y'all.